Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis pretty much every single day, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And believe it or not, it looks like this is charts are actually starting to matter on this one again. And why do I say that? Well, essentially the bounce point today, because yeah, late day there was a nice little bounce, so we'll see if that can build some more strength. But late day on the bounce, it actually occurred right there near that previous bounce point. So this support level was honored. So maybe, just maybe, is 0.058-ish some sort of bottom? Are the sellers going to finally stop dumping shares, and that's kind of their line in the sand where they're just not going to dump anymore? That still remains to be seen, but nice to see that the chart actually did honor that level of that area of the chart as a support. Now let's see if this bounce actually has any sort of power. And I get it, well, okay, that's a cool soundbite. Let's see if it has any power. But that's also the cool thing with charts is it allows you to, kind of quantify soundbites. So a test of, is there any sort of power? Well, let's see how the price reacts if it can get up to right around 0.074-ish, which in the past has been where the price has continually been rejected back down right there. So if the price gets up there and it goes like a warm knife through butter, well then, hey, that's a sign that maybe this late day bounce has some actual power behind it. But if it gets up there, stumbles around, well, at that point, I'm not saying the bulls can't recover, but I'd be pretty skeptical of just how much power the price actually has behind it. So just keep that in mind. That's going to be really the ultimate gauge. Now, if you're a flipper, day trader, or whatever you want to call yourself, then who knows? Maybe this will be like a little magical and mystical playground where you can just flip this channel over and over again. That's also a possibility. But as far as the late day bounce here, which you got to give credit where credit's due, the bulls were able to bounce the price. Is there any sort of power behind it? That would definitely be gauged by if the price can push above that red line and then followed not too far away by that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So definitely an interesting setup now. There's been a bounce. Can the bounce build upon itself? Let's see if the price can not only get up to 0.074, but able to push through it and then start to maintain and close above it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.